my previous video, I mentioned that an AI created a weight loss program for me. I said I wanted to lose 20 kilos in 3 months, so it created a comprehensive weight loss program that included diet, cardio, and a weights program. Today I'm going to talk about the weights program. So the AI mentioned that you really should get professional advice about the different weights that you're going to be doing in the program and what suits you. So for example, I have a tear in my shoulder muscle, so I won't be doing any shoulder exercises. In another area of the shoulders and abs, in the abs, the AI mentioned Russian twists and planks. I won't be doing the Russian twists and planks because if you don't do them properly, you can end up getting damage to your muscles. So I'm going to replace that with an abs machine. So what the AI mentioned in the workout program was on day 1, you do chest and triceps. Day 2, back and biceps. Day 3 is a rest day. Day 4, you do legs. Day 5, you do shoulders and abs. And day 6 and 7 is a rest day. So you don't do any weights on the rest days. I've designed a comprehensive program based on the AI's suggestions to suit me. I'll be doing 3 to 4 sets of 6 to 8 reps. With 6 to 8 reps, you're toning the muscles. Anything over 8 reps, you're building muscle. I don't want to build muscle, I just want to get fit. So on day 1, I'll be doing chest and triceps, the chest press machine, 3 to 4 sets of 6 to 8 reps. The incline bench press machine, 3 to 4 sets of 6 to 8 reps. The tricep push down machine, 3 to 4 sets of 6 to 8 reps. On day 2, I'll be doing back and biceps. Barbell rows, 3 to 4 sets, 6 to 8 reps. Dumbbell curls, 3 to 4 sets, 6 to 8 reps. Hammer curls, 3 to 4 sets, 6 to 8 reps. Day 3, rest day. Day 4, I'll be doing legs, leg press, 3 to 4 sets, 6 to 8 reps. Lunges, 3 to 4 sets, 6 to 8 reps. Leg extensions, 3 to 4 sets, 6 to 8 reps. Day 5, I'll be doing shoulders and abs. The ab machine, 3 to 4 sets, 6 to 8 reps. The shoulder press machine, 3 to 4 sets, 6 to 8 reps. And lateral raises, 3 to 4 sets, 6 to 8 reps. Day 6 and 7, rest day. I've put down below my workout program designed by the AI. You can follow along or join in with me on my future videos where I start to show you some of the exercises on the machines. Hit the subscribe button and follow along in my journey with my AI designed weight loss program where I lose 20 kilos in 3 months.